Hi, I'm Terry Lee, and this is the class, The Science of Body, Mind, Spirit. A couple weeks ago, I was teaching a class, and I asked my students, what is body, mind, spirit? And they kind of stared at me blankly. They're like, I don't know. One of them finally spoke up and she said, you know what it is? It's a whole bunch of words put together that sound really cool, but we really don't know what it means at its heart. She was right. So this class is about showing you what body, mind, spirit, and the integration of them all really mean on a deep scientific level. We're going to start with just some definitions, and then I'll have you watch a video that really visually and energetically proves to you what happens when body, mind, spirit combines. So first, let's talk about definitions. For the purposes of this program, I'm going to define body as the anatomy and physiology of your physical body. That means how it is formed. That's what anatomy is, the structure, the architecture of it. And physiology, how it functions, the mechanics of it, and how it works. So we'll go through some of that. I'm going to define mind as your thoughts, your intention, mindfulness, and the information or the data that comes in through your body and goes into your brain, and your brain logs all that information. And finally, I define spirit as your breath and your mood. In other words, it's your energy, your life force, and your moods and emotions that live on that life force. We'll get into that in a lot more detail later. For now, just click into the next video and watch and see how body, mind, spirit linked together really makes magic.